Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable automatic payments in PayPal. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, log into your account, and once you're here, I want you to go and click on the gear icon over this area on the upper right corner, and then click on payments. Over here, you will see all of the automatic payments that is active and showing inactive. For example, this one, it shows active. We can easily select this and it will show status active. You can now click on cancel. It will show you to confirm the cancellation. And once you confirm everything, you can now go back to this page and the status it will show in here inactive. Now, usually if you have more than one or two automatic payments, it will list everything in here in this area. And you can sort them out here by showing or clicking active and inactive. And that's it. That's how you can easily disable the automatic payments in PayPal. I hope you found this video very helpful.